Well, there's my dog over here. It's November 4th, 70 degrees and humid out here. Good, go-get-a-moogada. And I'm planting garlic in Zone 7, Central North Carolina. I prefer to do it at the beginning of October or even late September. It takes 8 months, so that way I can get it at the beginning of June. Didn't happen this year because of family issues in October, but I did get it down. If you're in 7, 8, 9, you can still plant in November. Not sure about 6, you might want to look that up. But 7, 8, 9, you're good to go. Here is the spot. That's 5 by 4, so 20 cloves. Okay, that's not a lot. We'll keep 2 back for next year to plant again. The other 18, it'll last us about 6, 7 months. But this past year, we had planted 104 and got, I think, 97. That's some powder that we have. And then we have additional garlic we can still process. So we'll have garlic powder to cover us until we get to the next fresh batch a year out, June 2024. This stuff will last 3 to 5 years in a jar. And if you want the particulars on how to plant garlic in the fall, check the video out there, and happy gardening, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe.